Nirenta sila ng safe house. Kailangan mo ng furnitures. Bibili ka ng furnitures.
Ah.
Kung may magbabantay doon, may caretaker doon, kailangan mo ng pagkain. Kailangan mo rin ng medisina. Sentido ko is who will betray
Ang galing ni Panay,
their
no?
colleagues.
Narito ang Balitang Pinoy TV.
Yan atin ipapakita yan lahat, no? Pero bago ang lahat, guys, paki-like muna at saka paki-share itong video natin, ha? Importanteng mag-like and share kayo para kakalat ito sa taong bayan. Marami po ang makaalam sa katotohanan, okay? At sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dito sa Donmar TV, kung first time nyo ito at nagugustuhan ninyo ang ating format ng ating vlog, i-consider nyo i-subscribe itong channel na ito. Kasi wala namang bayad kapag mag-subscribe kayo sa YouTube. Walang bayad yan, ha? Tandaan nyo yan, walang bayad. Pindutin nyo lang, okay? At kapag nakasubscribe na kayo sa akin, updated na kayo sa ating mga trending na mga balita patungkol po sa impeachment, tungkol po sa update ni Tatay Digong at lahat-lahat na because this is a DDS channel, okay? So, ayan, subscribe na po kayo. Pero bago ang lahat, no, bago natin simulan ay magpapasalamat muna ako at mag-shoutout muna ako sa mga laging nanonood dito na mga audience, okay? Yung mga comments ninyo, hindi yan nasasayang kasi binabasa natin yan, okay? O heto po, si Miss Blandy, lagi itong nanonood at nagko-comment dito. Hello Sir Donmar, keep safe always and God bless to the whole family. I'm just watching always your videos. Hindi ko na alam kung ano ang i-comment. Miss Blandy, maraming salamat. Tama naman yung mga comment mo. Keep safe and God bless you, Miss Blandy. Thank you po, no? Susan Angot, lagi rin itong nanonood dito. Kaibigan ko na to, eh. Good evening, sir. Na-late ako. The sauce, sir, na minaw ko ni Attorney Kapunan. Labaw pa sablay o iya kaayo siya paminawon. Totoo naman, eh. Tama ka dyan, Ma'am Susan. Tama ka dyan. Ma'am Susan, good evening sa iyo. Amping-amping diya. Sabi ni Ma'am Elda. Elda, natatawa ako watching from Milan, Italy. Nakakatawa nga si Kapunan, eh. Mas mabuti siguro kapag may dugo siya, no? Kasi magiging magaling. Kanina sablay, eh. Ma'am Elda, thank you. Mazlan Alviar, lagi na ito nanonood dito. Buenas noches, Donmar TV, watching from Malaysia. Ayan, sa mga kababayan natin sa Malaysia. Shoutout po sa inyo, mga OFWs dyan. Mazlan, thank you very much sa inyo po. Buenas noches. Ayan. Wilma Sensio. Ayan, si Ma'am Wilma Sensio. Welcome to Donmar TV. Shoutout, Sir Donmar. I'm watching from Jeddah, KSA. Ayan, maraming salamat sa mga kababayan natin sa Jeddah, no? Thank you very much. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Kawawa naman si Lola. Ikaw talaga, Ma'am Wilma. Kinawawa niyo pa si Atty. Kapunan. Ma'am Wilma, thank you po. Ayan. Okay, so simulan na natin. Okay? Heto yung Ayan, no? Sabi dito ng Truth Stream. Ito, ano naman ito, eh? Verified page. Ang sabi ng Truth Stream, which is kinolekta niya ang information kanina sa nangyari sa hearing, ang 40 million pa lang ito, ha? Ang 40 million confidential funds ng Office of the Vice President ginamit umano sa gamot at pagkain ayon sa COA auditor. Yung witness kanina. Ito, lakihan natin para mauunawaan po ninyo. Ito, ha, lakihan natin. Umiyak yung anak ko, eh. Yung 6 months, naririnig ko kasi sa background. Ayan. Sabi dito, accomplishment report. Utilization of confidential and intelligence funds. Okay? Ang agency po dito ay anong agency? Ayan, lakihan natin. Ang agency po dito ay yung Office of the Vice President. Ayan, makikita nyo yung agency. Period covered from December 21 to December 31. Okay, ito yung sinabi nila na ginasta ng 11 days, ha. Total amount of confidential intelligence funds, 2022, 125 million. Ayan, yan ang nakalagay dyan. Okay, ito po yung in-square na box. Program or project activities as per physical and financial plan. Form or in parentheses, form in Annex A. Okay. Ito po. For the implementation of the Office of the Vice President initiatives and confidence building. Okay? Ano pong nangyari dito? Ang actual income o accomplishments. Ito po. Surveillance and monitoring. Kailangan kasi ito sa mga confidential na bagay para sa mga kalaban ng gobyerno. Purchase of information. Letter A. Kung makikita nyo dyan, ha. I think makikita ito sa dapat pwede itong hindi kasi makita yung tawag dito yung arrow ko dito, surveillance and monitoring. Letter A, purchase of information. So bibili ka ng information sa mga tao. Ay ginasta 24 million and this is normal. Okay? Ewan ko na lang sa ubang ahensya ha. Kasi binubulsa nila. Payment of reward, 10 million. Ibig sabihin, kung nakukuha nila ang impormasyon at na-proven na tama yung binigay na impormasyon ng tao na kanilang, ito, may 10 million po na worth of budget yan. Okay? Hindi yan iisang tao lang ha. Marami yan. Okay? Rental, kasi kailangan po ito ha, para safety sa ating mga government officials. Like for example, kung pupunta sila doon sa bukid, bago sila pumunta doon, bibili ka na ng information and you have to give it. May mga tao na uutusan mo dyan at lahat-lahat na yan, bibigyan mo na yan ng magrerenta kayo ng bahay, bibili kayo ng furniture, kasi mga tao rin yan eh. Di ba? Sabi pa dito, rental of other hindi ko makita eh. Exponential yata ito. Expitorial incentives relative to maintenance of safe houses including at all. Ito na nga yung sinabi ko, mga bahay na rerentahan nila. Aabot yan ng 10 million rin. Kasi hindi yan isang tao, ang dami niyan ha. Sabi pa dito, ng letter D at letter E. Tingnan niyo ha, provision of medical and food aid. Dito ako humahanga kay VP Sara. Talagang binigyan talaga niya ng safe at comfortable yung kanilang mga resource, persons na involved dito. Medical at ang food aid ay 46 million. Payment of incentives or traveling relative to the confidential operations, 10 million. Okay? Sasabihin na naman nila, bakit? Nagasta yan in 11 days? Uy, wag ka. Bago ito binigay kay VP Sara, I think, kasi na ako, I was once talent ng isang government, yung aming, nagko-choreograph kasi ako ng mga pageant dati, kusang kukuha yan sila ng budget ng hindi pa sa gobyerno. Tapos, nila yan, itatapak nila yan kung yung ito, na ang ahensya, I think, ginamit nila yung pera ng sarili nilang bulsa, sa kanila ito nire-reimbursed. Okay? Yan ang po anong nangyari. Huwag yung sabihin na 11 days, nakagasta na yan. Okay? Pero ang liquidation yan, magfa-follow through yan. Yung hindi pa dumating ang pera, nakagasta na ang Office of the Vice President ng sa confidential funds. Ganyan yan, kasi alam ko yung trabaho ng gobyerno. Okay? Kasi kung maghihintay ka pa sa budget na darating, wala na. Tapos na kayo. Hindi nyo masosolve yung gusto nyong mangyayari. Kasi ang bagal ng gobyerno eh. Okay? So yun po, okay? Yan po ang nandito po lahat yan. Okay? So meaning to say, ginamit po sa pagkain at sa gamot. Ganyan po kagaling ang ating Vice President. At wala silang magagawa dyan kasi mismo na ang witness nila ang nagsabi. Di ba? Palakpakan kay VP Sara. Ayan. Ngayon naman, ipapakita natin itong ipapakita natin itong si Attorney Powa. Sinita itong si Kapunan. Sinita. Ito yung video ha. Sana ba yun? Ayan, Kapunan, sinita ni Powa. Ayan, i-play natin. I-play.
P-1-8-545 in the name of Odi or Andy C. Lim for 50,000 pesos. Andy Lim.
Ang corny? Ang corny mo, ma'am?
Kanya ko pala hindi mabasa. Andy Lim. Para kay Andy Lim. 50,000 pesos. Ang date, 12/21/2023. Ano ang observation mo ulit? Kung meron man.
Yung date of payment po, December 27, 2023 is outside the coverage po nung kanilang period of disbursement, which is December 21 to 31, 2022.
Kung merong andilim, siguro dahil
Objection,
pikit.
Your Honor. I'm sorry, but I've been giving leeway to opposing counsel, but I think she's been coloring, the contents of the documents more than what is shown
Your
in the
Honor, I'm just
documents
reading. It
itself.
says here. And
No,
counsel
Your
can
Honor.
it says andilim.
I think you
It's
know
not the
my
way it
point, Your
sounds, Your
Honor.
Honor. It's like patiting. That's the way it's spelled. And the next one, maybe you will object again. It's Alejandro A. Pikit. I was gonna say, kanya siguro madali. May pikit ang mata. Pikit.
Exactly, Your Honor. Our point, Your Honor.
Pikit.
Counsel for the panel of
According,
prosecutors. I think you
nagbibiro
know
eh.
what the counsel for the respondent is talking about.
Yes.
Kindly proceed accordingly.
Okay, Alejandro A. Pikit, P-18-544 for 90,000 pesos. And the date here, again, is 12/21/2023. Purchase of information. Any observation, Mr. Witness?
Yung date of payment po na December 21, 2023 based on this document is outside po doon sa kanilang period of disbursement.
Okay. P-1-8-556 being shown to you and flashed on the screen is for Fiona Byong for 80,000 pesos. 12/22/2022 also for payment of information.
normal
Any
yan ha.
comment, Mr. Witness?
Yung payment of information,
Wala
normal
naman po
yan.
akong particular observation on this AR kasi yung purchase of information is allowed naman po under 4.8 of the joint circular.
Walang illegal.
And the last two, also for payment of information, P-1-8-654 for Cisfronio Balsac for 70,000 pesos, and P-1-8-615 for Gabriel S. Bisaya for 70,000 pesos. 12/27/2022. Any observations, Mr. Witness?
Yung date of payment po ng December 27, 2023, which is outside the coverage po nung kanilang period of disbursement.
Now, having shown you selected few of these 845 acknowledgement receipts, can you confirm now that the ones shown to you and those that are part of your summary stated in your tabulation are the documents submitted to you by the Office of the Vice President by way of liquidation of monies allegedly paid to alleged payees and
sana
for alleged
illegal.
purposes?
Yes po, ma'am.
Saan ang impeachable offense dyan? Di nyo matuklasan, di
I
nyo
will go now
ma-establish.
to the Office of the Vice President. What happened next, if any?
From what period po yung tinatanong niyo, ma'am? From the date of...
After you received the response of the Office of the Vice President, what action did you take, if any?
I evaluated po the response, the explanation contained in the response as well as the documents po attached in the response, and nag-issue po kami ng notice of suspension dahil hindi pa rin po compliant yung kanilang submission sa ICFAO.
Again, can you remind us what a notice of suspension is?
Based on the Joint Circular 2015-01, notice of suspension is a written notification to the head of the agency and the agency accountant, informing them of the temporary disallowance in audit of the disbursement because it appears that the disbursement is illegal, irregular, or improper, and that they are required to submit an explanation or justification or the documents being sought in the notice of
Di mo pwedeng
suspension or
sabing
vote.
illegal yan.
If a notice of suspension is shown to you, P-1-13-A, which is a common exhibit with the defense, would you be able to identify the same?
Yes, ma'am.
And for better appreciation of the Honorable Impeachment Court, we will
Assisting
be
counsel of
flashing the
both
same
parties
on
may
the
approach.
screen.
You may proceed, counsel.
In your notice of suspension, which you said you issued, and which is a common exhibit, what were your recommendations thereat?
In this notice of suspension po, katulad po nung in-explain ko kanina, may mga payment of rewards silang ginawa in cash, in medicine, and in various goods, pero hindi po properly supported with any document evidencing success as prescribed po in item 4.8.5 of the Joint Circular. That is observation number 1 po.
We are flashing on the screen, and for easy reference, this has been boxed, Your Honor. What else?
Also, in the NS po, yun, katulad din nung sinabi ko kanina, meron silang mga purchases na ginawa, which is yung purchases of medicine, which were given as rewards, yung purchases of various goods, which were given as rewards, yung purchase supplies,
Medicine.
yung tables and chairs, at yung desktop printers and computers ay supported lamang ng acknowledgement receipts instead of sales
ipapakita ko yung
invoices or
explanation
official
ni Palilo
receipts.
tungkol dito, ha.
And also, with respect to the purchase tables and chairs and desktop printers and computers, hindi po nila indicate if these purchases were intended for the confidential operations of the Office of the Vice President.
Ano illegal doon?
What else is here in your notice of suspension?
Third po, yung ibang acknowledgement receipts po, yung receipts of payment ay naka-December 2023, at yung ibang acknowledgement receipts ay wala pong date kung kailan ni-receive ni payee yung payment po.
No. If these acknowledgement receipts, there are certain acknowledgement receipts dated 2023, if shown to you, would you be able to identify the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing to you now. Acknowledgement receipts dated December 20, 2023, beyond the period beyond the covered period of the last quarter of 2022. Please go over these documents.
Assisting counsel may show the witness the documents.
Tingnan mo yan. Wala namang illegal yan. Kahit tingnan mo na yan ang tingnan. Di ba? Kaya ang mga defense team, hinayaan lang.
Your Honor, please, this notice of suspension, as I mentioned earlier, is a common exhibit, Your Honor. And I will call the witness to please take a look at Annex A of this notice of suspension, which appears to be a tabulation of this undated and dated 2023 acknowledgement receipts. Are you looking at it? Annex A? What is the total, Mr. Witness, based on your Annex A, of your notice of suspension, of the total amount for acknowledgement receipts issued for a period not covered by the confidential
Kala ko
funds?
magaling itong si Kapunan, pero wala.
Can you clarify po yung question? Yung mga dated
Nalilito
December
siya
2023
Siguro
po ba
matanda
yun?
na siya.
Yes, Mr. Witness.
Based on this annex po, yung total ng mga acknowledgement receipts na dated December 2023 ay 25,606,000 pesos.
For 2023, 25,606,000. What about confidential funds liquidated based on undated acknowledgement receipts na walang date? Undated.
Based po on
Is that also shown in your Annex A?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you tell this court how much that amount is for undated acknowledgement receipts na walang petsa?
Ang total amount po ay 3,276,000 pesos po.
Okay, and pag tinotal natin ito, magkano lahat ito ang nakalagay sa notice of suspension mo?
Yung undated tsaka December
Yes, Mr.
20.
Witness.
Bali, ang magiging total po ay almost 29 million pesos po.
Sa notice of suspension, what other findings are stated thereon?
Sa notice of suspension po, may findings din po about some expenses po na hindi presented doon sa kanilang accomplishment report.
What else, Mr. Witness?
Number 5 po dun sa notice of suspension, katulad po nung sinabi ko kanina, yung total expenses nila based on the acknowledgement receipts ay umabot ng 125,150,000, which is 150,000 in excess po doon sa kanilang total expenses based on the accomplishment report na 125 million pesos.
Let me try to understand this. Nag-issue ang total ay sobra. Nag-liquidate, pero ang liquidate nila ay sobra sa amount na 150 million.
Ang ginastos po nila
I'm sorry,
based on the acknowledgement
125.
receipts ay sobra po compared dun sa laman ng kanilang accomplishment report.
May discrepancy?
May discrepancy po na 150,000 pesos.
What happened? May notice of suspension. What happened after you issued this notice of suspension? If any?
After po ma-issue yung notice of suspension ay wala na po akong personal knowledge since na-transfer na po ako to other audit sector po
Wala
of
ka
the Commission on
palang
Audit.
personal knowledge. Ito rin yung isang video natin na kung saan si Attorney Powa na naman si Attorney Powa naman ang nagkontra dito sa testimonya ng testigo. Sinabi ni Attorney Powa, he is not competent and qualified to answer. Ito po pakinggan natin ito kasi para malaman natin na ganyan ang mga witness nila. Incompetent yung mga witness nila. Ito, play natin.
Ano ang findings mo sa dalawang response na to?
Sa response po kasi nila, they attached the documentary evidence of payments. So nagkaroon po kami ng finding about the various payment of rewards made based on the submitted documentary evidence of payments na naka-attach dun sa response nila in the form of acknowledgement receipts. So based on the acknowledgement receipts na sinamit po, nagkaroon sila ng payment of rewards in cash, in medicine, and in various goods. At lahat po nung kanilang payment of rewards ay walang naka-attach na any document supporting the success of the information gathering activity or surveillance activity on account of the information given by the informer. And also po, nagkaroon din sila ng various purchases based on the documentary evidence of payments. Meron po silang yung kanilang binili na medicines and various goods which were given as rewards. Yung kanilang binili na supplies, yung binili nila na tables and chairs and desktop printers and computers. Pero yung supporting document lang po nun ay acknowledgement receipt instead of official receipts or sales invoices. And also, with respect to the payment po ng tables and chairs and desktop printers and computers, hindi po nila in-indicate if those purchases were really intended for the confidential operations of the OVP.
Sa joint circular na sinabi mong guidelines para sa liquidation report ng Office of the Vice President, Bakit sinasabi mo?
Ito po yung
May
type of
manifest.
Permission of counsel for the panel of prosecutors. Yes, what is the pleasure of
Your
the
Honor,
counsel
may
for
we
respond?
move to strike out the responses of the witness to those questions as he's not competent and qualified to answer, especially since he is not pointing to any provision of the JC as to his opinion on whether confidential o hindi ang mga pangalan ng mga drugstores, ang mga pangalan ng mga sari-sari stores, Your Honors. I think that is beyond his competence, Your Honor, as an
Ala.
auditor.
Patay.
If I may respond.
Unless, Your Honor, he can point to a specific provision in the joint circular.
Ang galing.
Your
po,
Honor,
For
please,
the
ano.
panel for prosecutors, Attorney Gapunan may respond.
Your
Before the chair
Honor,
makes a ruling.
please, Your Honor. First of all, they're asked and answered. Counsel should have timely objected when being asked. 3 times he was asked. Secondly, Your Honor, I don't think it is accurate to say that this has no basis. Because earlier, pinaghirapan po namin pakita yung mga particular provisions ng Joint Circular 2015 para i-point out ano-ano ang mga pwedeng gamitan ng confidential funds at ano-ano ang pwedeng paggamit or bawal na paggamit ng confidential funds. And this witness, Your Honor, based on the circular, did say that whatever activity that is must be related to the physical and financial plans submitted by the Office of the Vice President and or the DepEd. For instance, tables and chairs, what particular surveillance activity or operation or terrorist surveillance are tables and chairs and desktops and medicines and supplies related to the payment of rewards, Your Honor. Again,
Hindi niya
this
naintindihan.
witness cited the particular
Mga tao yan,
provision
kailangan
of the
na niya
Joint
ng mga
Circular
appliances?
that says the payment of
Para
reward
mamamahinga?
should not stop there. It should point, Your Honor, according to the Joint Circular, it should point to particular
Mamaya explain
documents
ito ni Panelo.
that would show or point to that activity by which the rewards were deserved, Your Honor. So
Chair
it's
will make
very
a
clear
ruling.
in the circular, Your Honor.
Chair will make a ruling. Asked and answered is correctly pointed out by counsel for the panel of prosecutors. Aside from that, the witness is competent to testify as to how he evaluated the submissions and the response letters given by the Office of the Vice President in relation to the AOMC issued that were all based on JMC number 15-01.
Your Honor, I
yes,
will
counsel
not be asking for reconsideration and I will submit to the ruling of the court. I just want to make it of record that when we say asked and answered, Your Honors, I gave leeway to the opposing counsel to ask.
Ito na nga mga kabalita. Ano na ang masasabi nyo patungkol sa balitang ito? Please comment down below mga kabalita. Pag-usapan natin yan sa comment section. At kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel, baka naman